Inheritance. Ah yes, the oldest wealth-building strategy known to mankind. Pick the right parents. This is not a joke. Estimates suggest that between 35% to 45% of all wealth in developed countries is inherited. It isn't earned through hard work or built from scratch. It is simply handed over in a legal will while everyone cries in expensive black suits. Take the Walton family, heirs to the Walmart empire, or the Mars family, owners of the famous M&M's chocolate brand. Their fortunes are estimated in the hundreds of billions of dollars. Many of them have never had to work a day in their lives or run the company. They just live off the mountains of money that were left to them. For everyday people, inheritance is much smaller. Maybe your grandmother leaves you her old house, or your parents give you a financial boost to start your life. But even these seemingly small gifts hold tremendous power. A $50,000 head start, for example, can grow over the years into a completely life-changing amount of money. The gap between those who inherit something and those who inherit nothing isn't just a billionaire problem. It's a reality that affects everyone. So, if your plan for getting rich relies on an inheritance, your only task is to be born into the right family. Unfortunately, the application window for that opportunity closed exactly 9 months before you arrived in this world.